In this video, I'll show you my recent experience with Amazon Lending. I recently used them and took a 100k loan to replace credit card debts that have much higher interest rates. So make sure that you watch the entire video to learn about my experience and what are the pros and cons using Amazon Lending. Hi, this is Tomer from sourcingmonster.com, a website and a YouTube channel where I share videos and updates about Amazon FBA and e-commerce in general. All the information and videos that I share here are completely free. Now, as we go through the video, if you find value in it, make sure you give me a thumbs up and you also subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you also click the notification bell so for every new video that I upload, you can get yourself notified and up to date. And all links for everything I'm going to mention in this video will be down below in the description section. What is Amazon Lending? For those that didn't hear about Amazon Lending, it's a service by Amazon created in 2011 to help small businesses and help Amazon get into the loan businesses. And that's what it is pretty much. It's available like to Amazon sellers only. So who can get an Amazon loan? And you know what? Before we share who can really get the loan, let me explain you why I'm actually using Amazon Lending. If couple of previous videos I did share how to really use credit cards to leverage your business. So if you are new and you just open your business, you can get a lot of credit cards. Credit cards will usually send you their promotions like 12 months 0 APR or 18 months. And I had in the last 18 months 3 or 4 cards that gave me really 200k credit line. This allowed me to really have like interest free money that I can use to leverage and scale my business. But those promotions expired and now I started to pay 20% APR, which is crazy. I just paid last month like $1,000 just for interest, and that's a lot of money. So with Amazon Lending, the interest rates are much lower. They're about like 9%. And for 100k loan that I got, I have to return 104, 100 and something. Now it's 9% only for, of course, obviously when you pay your loan and your monthly payments, the amount of the loan is reduced and you have to pay less APR. That's why it's, if you do like 10%, it should be like or 9%, it should be like 9,000 out of 100k. It's an annual interest, so that's why it's only 4,000. So it's if you combine it total for 100k, it's like 4%. So it's pretty good rate, and it's very instant. Like I got it instantly to be able to close the credit card debts. And what I'm doing here, the logic is basically replacing a loan that is expensive with a cheaper loan. That's the logic behind it. Now let's jump to who can get an Amazon loan, and I will also share with you later how it works, how you can apply. So currently, only for active Amazon sellers, you have to sell to have an history of selling for at least 12 months. You need a total sales of at least 10,000 in the last 12 months. You need good customer satisfaction metrics, no serious customer complaints in the past 6 months, no outstanding copywriting or trademark infringement complaints, compliance with Amazon listing style guides. That when you meet those guidelines, usually Amazon will show you the invite on the interface. So how does Amazon loan work? So I'm not sure if this is invite only, but I started to see this maybe a year ago on my dashboard, and I'll share with you now how it looks. So if you go to the dashboard, you see here I still have this, the Amazon Lending. But if you don't see it, you go, by the way, this is the new interface introduced today to my account, so I applied it. If you can see, the position and things are like are different locations. So you here on the left side you have the menu. So if you go to growth and then lending, you should be see the options for you. So that's what I did, and now they give me a couple of more loans. I had, I think, 250,000 before. That's the highest amount. But recent, maybe 2 months, the last 2 months, my sales volume decreased. So they also decreased the line of credit or the loan that I can get. So you can get here from, as you can see, another active loan from Amazon Lending for 100K. It's 12 months term. Actually, that's the one that started. So that's the actual term. So let's view the details. Okay, let's see how it looks. So payment status is showing you here the loan number, and of course I will hide it because it's some sensitive information. You have loan information. You can download the loan agreement. We have loan origination date, loan maturity date, like in a year. I think I'll just pay it back maybe in 2-3 months. We have interest rate of 9%, annual interest rate on past due amount. Next billing date, just basic information. Here it will show you some of the information about the transaction. So the loan amount that was given. Really, literally, it took me 10 minutes from the application to the approval, which was amazing. And the money was in my account. It was transferred like very quick, like in 2 days. I'll share with you also the emails that I got from Amazon. So we have this one. So after I clicked approve or apply, and let's try to do it with the other one. Let's start application. So I will not click agree, but basically it's very simple. You click start application, it's asking you a couple of questions. The good thing about Amazon Lending, they already have history about you. For lenders, history and info and data, that's the most important thing. So that's a very smooth process. You don't really have to ask many lenders to or provide them a lot of information like P&Ls, bank reports and all of that. So this is pretty smooth process, really. So after I've completed the application, I got this email: congratulations, your loan or your business loan application was approved. And it was really literally a couple of minutes by Amazon Lending. To receive your funds, please visit Seller Central page and select accept loan. So I had to go back to the Amazon Lending page, click approve, and then I got another email that I will share with you in a moment. Where are my funds? Your funds will be distributed in your into your Amazon Seller account once you accept the loan. To do this, check the loan. To receive your funds, please ensure the selling Amazon account is in good standing. Yada yada yada. Then after I click accept, I got this this email, which says that congratulations, your loan application was approved. As you grow your business with Amazon, we're here to provide you personal information. Here they give you some basic information about the loan and why do I pay less in total interest cost than the stated APR. That's like I told you, our loan payments are calculated over equal monthly installments, which means as your remaining balance decrease each month, the assessed interest decrease as well because the loan amount decrease. Your funds will be distributed, so it's very smooth and easy process. I was very surprised. Terms and benefits, you have a couple of options, and it's good because the approval is fast, and it took me 10 minutes to get 100K. And with this one, I didn't choose this option, but you could have an option to pay the first month only the interest, which is very cool. Here are some of the pros and cons. So the pros are that it's a really fast application and you get the money very quick. It's available or be available when other loan options are not. Sometimes, traditional banks or traditional loans would ask you for so many details, but since they are not really familiar on how Amazon businesses work, they might decline you, which happened a lot of times. I hear it from a lot of sellers. Now, due to Amazon having all this info about you, like I said before, the process of getting approved is much higher. You have lower interest rates and less fees. With external loan, you might have some other fees that you won't have with Amazon, since Amazon is deducting it from your this reimbursements. Cons, you're liable for the money, and Amazon could hold your funds. They can also use your inventory if you don't pay your loans. Deductions are done automatically from your salary account, and it's not really available for everyone. Like I said, some people don't have this option. And like I said, I'm not sure if it's invite only. I started to see this a year ago. So I hope I made this video, I'm sorry, Amazon lending more clear to you, and you know what are the pros and cons, and just sharing my experience. I hope you got value out of it. Please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you didn't subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.